The Dalmatian pelican is a remarkable bird, known for being one of the largest pelican species in the world. With a wingspan reaching up to 11 feet, this majestic bird is a powerful flyer. Found across Europe and Asia, the Dalmatian pelican thrives in wetlands, lakes, and rivers. Its diet primarily consists of fish, which it skillfully catches using its large bill and expandable throat pouch. These pelicans are also notable for their distinctive curly feathers on the back of their heads. Conservation efforts are crucial as their populations face threats from habitat loss and pollution, making them a fascinating yet vulnerable species.